Hi, I'm Harrison Hollins. We're from the Whitchurch area of Shropshire. We're free-range poultry farmers at heart and have been for over a decade now as the family. Our main port of call is to create the free-range eggs that you see, for sale in supermarkets and shops and whatnot. We first saw the Varimount machine, I think, in an advert for the Farmers Weekly a few months ago now, and we've been looking previously for quite some time at how to create or find a compressor that was PTO driven. We ourselves had previously built PTO driven pressure washers, and so this in our business was a natural progression for the clean out that we do. We use the Varimount for air washing the inside of poultry buildings, so all dust and fine layers of dirt and whatnot, as opposed to going in there with lots of water and causing lots of sludge and possibly damaging equipment. We then choose to effectively pressure wash with air that the applied Varimount can give us in great capacity, really. We're very happy with the results that the Varimount gives us. We're using 2 people on one Varimount machine now, as opposed to previously we were using old road towable compressors that you might see on pothole repairs or whatnot, where we would have to have one machine per man in order to get the results in the shed that were required. Whereas now with one machine for 2 men, it allows us to halve effectively the machine requirement and achieve better than results as before. So previously these were engined compressors on a trailer frame, and they were fine, they worked to task, but as I've said, one machine could only supply one hose for a man, and along with all the other complications of running an engine and mounting that to a compressor inside the trailed appliance. So naturally, on a cold day or a hot day when things didn't want to be either way, then it provided problems for us, and our job at the end of the day is on a time scale. And I would absolutely recommend the Applied Varimount 350 to anyone else looking for large capacity air compressors. If you're doing a variety of jobs, be it inside buildings or outside on the slurry lines, then the air capacity and the maneuverability of the machine on a 3-point linkage is unparalleled in industry, I think.